different Aisha, but we more like Belly, Tommy, and Keisha. Gave you TLC, you wanna creep and poured out my whole heart to a piece of shit. Man, I thought you.
So I'm back with another video for you guys, and I'm trying my best to be way more consistent than I usually am. So I'm back with a get ready with me. I'll be styling my hair and doing this gorgeous makeup. Oh my god, let's take a moment of silence for this makeup. Like, I feel like this is the best makeup I've done in a while, the best look I've done in like forever. I'm literally just obsessing with the look overall. Like, ooh, look at my nails. I literally just got my nails done yesterday, and everybody keeps asking me, how do you do anything with these? First of all, minding business. Second of all, I do everything with my nails. But yeah, so I'll be showing you guys how I got this look. I'll be doing hair and makeup for you guys. And yeah, the hair that I'm wearing is from Wowafrican. This is their Yaki texture lace wig. This wig is so cute. So I'm gonna let you guys jump right into it. I'm not gonna keep you guys any longer. I do want you guys to enjoy this tutorial. I don't want this video to be too long, but it might end up being a little long. And if I didn't mention it before, comment, like, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'm gonna catch you guys in my next one. Deuces. Okay, you guys, so I'm really sick right now, but I'm just gonna try to like a quick talk over just to like guide you guys through the steps that I took when you know, styling the hair. So this is pretty much what the hair looks like right now. What I'm doing is I'm taking my tweezers and just plucking some of that hair out and giving the wig a longer center part, because the wig did not come with like a long enough parting space for me. So I'm basically just giving the wig a deeper center part, and then I'm gonna add some concealer to wherever I pluck the hair out to make it look like my actual scalp. So once I put the wig against my skin, that, you know, it matches my my skin tone. And then I added a little baby hairs, which is very optional. You do not need to add the baby hairs if you don't want to. You could just literally apply the wig to your head with yeah, without the baby hairs is fine. And then once I was done all of that, I literally just put the wig on my head. I did not use any gel or anything to secure the wig. I literally just tightened the elastic bands that came on the back of the wig and secured it on my head, and that was pretty much it for the hair, you guys. Moving on to makeup, so for my eyeshadow base, I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin concealer, and I'm using that as my eyeshadow base. So once I throw on all that colorful, you know, eyeshadows, it will just pop. Then I'm taking this orange shade from the Scarlet palette, and I don't recall the name of it, but I will have it listed down below in the description bar for you guys. And I'm taking that orange shade and using it as my transition color, and I'm taking a big fluffy brush and just blending that out into my creases. Then I'm going back over that transition shade with a smaller blending brush so I don't have any harsh lines once I'm done blending everything out together. And I really apologize for my voice, you guys. I'm just trying to get rid of this cold off my chest. I sound so terrible, but I'm really trying to fight through it and get better. Then I'm taking this dark purple shade with a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm just applying this directly into my creases and blending it together with that transition shade. Now to carve out my cut crease, I'm using the MAC paint pot in soft ochre. And once I'm done cutting my crease, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Modern Eyeshadow Palette. I'm taking this white shade, and I'm just going to be applying it all over my eyelids. Now I'm taking a pink shade from that same palette and I'm just applying that to the outer corners of my lids. And I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush, and what I'm doing is literally just blending out the white and the pink shade out together so I kind of get like an ombre effect once I'm done. Then I'm taking this purple shadow and applying it directly on top of that pink shade and blending everything out together. Once I'm done that, I'm just going to give myself a nice wing. And the eyeliner that I'm using is the NYC liquid eyeliner. This eyeliner that I'm using does have little sparkles in it, so it's not like a jet black liquid liner. You can't really see it too much on camera, but it does have like little sparkles in it. And to finish off my eyes, I'm just going to be adding some glitter to the lids. And the glitter liner that I'm using is by Ruby Kiss. I will have it listed down below in the description bar as usual. And then I applied some lashes, and that was pretty much it for the eyes, you guys. So I'm using the MAC Oil Control Lotion to like prime my face before I apply my foundation. And for foundation today, I'm using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And I'm in the shade Macao. I think it's number 4, that is. If I'm not mistaken, I will have it listed down below. And to highlight and conceal my face, I'm using my MAC Studio Finish Concealer. I mixed both concealers, Nc45 and Nc42 together. The reason being, Nc42 has a very yellow undertone and Nc45 is literally like my exact skin complexion. So when you're highlighting your under eyes, you always want to go like a shade, at least a shade or 2 lighter. So when I mix the both of them, it just gives me like the perfect color. So that's the reason I mix both, and yeah, it gives me like the perfect undertones. And now to set that concealer, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, and I'm just applying that in the areas wherever I applied the concealer. Step is setting my entire face, and I'm using my MAC Studio Finish Press Powder in the shade Nc45, and I'm just applying this all over my face. To contour my face and give my face a little definition, because you know a girl is getting a little chubby. So to make my face look a little skinnier, I'm using my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat press powder in the shade Cocoa. So to highlight my face, and oh my god, you guys see, the more I talk, the more I lose my voice. So to highlight my face, I'm using the old Anastasia Glow Kit, and look at that glow, you guys. Like, the glow is so disrespectful. Yes, shine bright like a diamond, honey. I don't even know why I be making these ugly faces to apply my makeup. It's so ridiculous. Okay, you guys, so you know what? I'm like completely losing my voice at this point. So I'm gonna go. Like, it's a wrap. It's time for me to get off of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just keep watching, you guys. It's so easy to catch on. Just watch the visuals and you will get it. Follow, you know, each step that I took, and your makeup will be slaying like K's. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch you guys in my next one. Deuces.
Make you slow down, girl. Hold on, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, murder, murder. make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She dey murder me. His body, baby, oh. Vicky's bad man, I see.